Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to 10th class English. Already we have read about the lesson of every success story is also a story of great failures. In the last class we know about the history of some great personalities, how they become success, how they face failures, everything we learned. Once again I am going to revise that. See, Lee De Forest is the inventor of Triodos tube. Next, Wright brothers, who were trying to invent a machine heavier than air that would fly. Sanders, he was sell his mother recipe and tries thousands of times. Next, Walt Disney, a young cartoonist that was the start of Mickey Mouse. Okay, now let me share someone's life story with you. That I am going to share one story that is very interesting. What happened one day, a partially deaf 4-year-old kid came home with a note in his pocket from his teacher. Your Tommy is too stupid to learn, get him out of the school. His mother read the note and answered, my Tommy is not stupid to learn, I will teach him myself. And that Tommy grew up to the great Thomas Edison. What happened? Because Thomas Edison is very weak and he is partially deaf, that's why teacher don't want to teach him. So he write a note and kept in his pocket and sent to his mother, and mother replies that he is not stupid to learn with you. So now his mother became the teacher of Thomas Edison. Like that, partially deaf. See, even though he has disability, now everyone knows the Thomas Edison, and now he become a success in his life. Next, what happened? Henry Ford, another great personality. Henry Ford, he was American industrialist. He developed and manufactured the first automobiles. He did not invent the automobiles, but he developed and manufactured the automobiles, and many of them middle class members can buy it. It is affordable in price. And what happened? Henry Ford forgot to put the reverse gear in the first car he made. He made a first car, but he forgot to make reverse gear. This is some small point about the Henry Ford. Now we are again going to learn about Thomas Edison. In 1914, what happened? Thomas Edison, at the age of 67, he lost his factory, which was worth a few $1 million. On fire, it had very little insurance. Edison watched his lifetime effort go up in smoke and said, what happened? Thomas Edison factory has become a total smoke. And even though he get a big problem, still he said that this is great value in disasters. All our mistakes are burnt up. Thank God we can start anew. In spite of the disaster, 3 weeks later he invented the phonograph. What is meant by phonograph? After when he lost his factory, within 3 weeks he was invented a phonograph. Phonograph is nothing but recording and reproduction of sound, where we can reproduce the sound and we can record the sound. That that is called a phonograph. Within 3 weeks after the lost his factory, he was invented the phonograph. Thomas Edison invented the phonograph. Thomas Edison is a partially deaf. Even though he is partially deaf, he invented the phonograph also. And one more thing, Thomas Edison failed approximately 10,000 times. How many times he failed? 10,000 times he failed while he was working on the light bulb. Everyone knows that light bulb was invented by Thomas Edison. It is one of the biggest thing that everyone also taking advantage now, up to nowadays also. Thomas Edison failed approximately 10,000 times. If anyone fail 1 time or 100 times, we will forget that thing. But Thomas Edison tried up to 10,000 times. After 10,000 times, he became success in inventing the light bulb. The main things of Thomas Edison is he invented the phonograph, and also he was invented the light bulb. Even though he has many failures in his life, the 10,000 times he practiced and again he lost his factory. He is partially deaf. He only went to school for 3 months, only formal schooling of 3 months. Still, these many of failures, this many of problems also, he became success. Now everyone knows about the Thomas Edison. He is one of the uh, great personality. And again next one is Socrates. Socrates has become renowned for his contribution to the field of ethics. Ethics is nothing but the study of what is right and wrong in human behavior. By seeing the human by with the by human behavior, what is right and what is wrong is that is called ethics. And the main contribution in ethics is related to Socrates. What happened one day, a young man asked Socrates the secret to success. How to become success? One young man asked Socrates that how to become success. Then Socrates told that the young man to meet him near the river in the next morning. They both met. Socrates asked the young man to walk with him toward the river. When the water got up to their neck, Socrates took the young man by surprise and dug him into the water. What Socrates do? Socrates dug the young man in the water. The boy struggled to get out, but Socrates was strong and kept him there until the boy started turning blue. Socrates pulled his head out of the water, and the first thing the young man did was to gasp and take a deep breath of air. Socrates asked, "What did you want the most when you were there?" The boy replied, "Air." Socrates says, that is the secret to success. When you want success as badly as you wanted the air, then you will get it. There is no other secret. A burning desire is the starting point of all accomplishment. Just like a small fire cannot give much heat, a weak desire cannot produce great results. So by this we come to know that our desire is strong. We must have a strong desire. If we have a weak desire, we cannot produce great results. If we have a strong desire, then only we get a great results. With the by Socrates, what the Socrates says, a weak desire cannot produce great results. A strong desire can produce great results, because he knows he has a great contribution in the field of ethics. These are some of the great personalities what we learned, because everyone became great with the failures. If we overcome with failures only, then only we became success. Okay, here two meanings are there. Ethics, what is ethics? Phonograph. Ethics is the main contribution of Socrates, and phonograph was invented by Thomas Edison. Phonograph means recording and reproduction of sound. Ethics means the study of what is right and wrong in human behavior. Okay, by this we completed our lesson of every success story is also a story of great failures. After listening my class, again you have to revise many times, so that then only you can understand and you never forget about these great personalities. Okay, I am giving one assignment. Do it in your home. That what did Socrates suggest as the secret to success? Socrates says about the secret of success, no? What he suggests you have to write. And do you agree with the Socrates? Do you agree or disagree with him? If you agree, then write why you agree. If you disagree, then write why you disagree with Socrates. Okay, give reasons of your answer. Okay, thank you.